Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are going to be looking at Wlfi today. We are seeing this one at the moment actually dropping. Look at what we are seeing on the past day, and you are seeing this one dropping quite significantly, now coming to the price range of 0.220 cent, right? We are seeing quite a drop off of this cliff. Go back to the past 7 days and you are seeing this trend where yes, things are essentially establishing a support in the 18 cent range. And the question then becomes, what do we expect to see into the next day, into the next couple of days? I'll be giving you all of my thoughts and opinions on that over the course of this short video. I think things here are looking very interesting. And again, first we'll actually go about establishing the trend as to what we have seen over the last couple of months. Now in the past month we have seen this one see essentially a lot of highs and lows. From the lows we are up from 0.16, 16 cent, to highs of 24. That is actually quite a significant gain when all is considered. And again, the past week now is ultimately quite red. The past day is significantly red. And the question then becomes, where do we go from that, as I say? Now, if I was to give you my personal opinions, guys, I think it's more likely than not, if we are not able to establish a support soon, that we're going to be dropping to these levels, which would take us down to about 17, specifically about 17.5 cents. That is very possible. However, we are seeing another scenario play out. A level of support that we have seen hold up really just about once recently was round about 20, right? 20 cent. We have seen this range, you could call it 20, you could call it 0.18, something like that. We have seen this hold up a couple of times in the past. And so far, it appears that this is holding up yet again, this 20 cent range. If we are able to see that hold up, that could be a sign of strength, right? And if we see a consolidation here, it's going to be about establishing a support there. It's going to be about establishing a support at this range, giving us a potential to see this one possibly go higher, right? There is that possibility. Again, from there, we'd be looking to break above levels at 22, levels above potentially 23, and then on to, of course, 24, and possibly even higher than that. At the downside, I think there's another few levels to watch out for. Again, most critically is going to be really about where we are right now. Below that, you're looking at 19. Below that, you are looking at 17. If I had to put my guess on which one I think is more likely, to be honest, guys, I think the downside is more likely to come in. Again, we've seen this one drop by 7% in the last day or so. We're somewhat establishing that support now, but it's far too soon to say. I think there is a likelihood here that we're going to see this one drop to 17, something like that, right? Maybe 18, but still significantly below where we are. You may disagree, you may agree, that's up to you guys. This is of course just my opinion. I'm not an advisor, it's just my personal thoughts. I think the likelihood of this one going down, I think, is perhaps more likely than not. You may agree, you may not. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear them. Thank you. Goodbye.